Why do you feel tired, even after a full night's sleep? You wake up, and within minutes, you already feel behind. But here's the truth. You're not tired because you're lazy. You're tired because your day starts wrong. When you wake up late, your brain doesn't wake up, it panics. You rush, you scroll, you react, no plan, no control. And your brain stays in survival mode all day. That's why small tasks feel heavy. That's why motivation feels fake. That's why you're exhausted by evening, even if you didn't do much. Now let me tell you what's actually draining your energy. First, inconsistent wake-up time. Your body loves rhythm. When you break it daily, energy crashes. Second, no morning light. Sunlight tells your brain, hey, it's daytime, let's be alert. No light equals sleepy brain. Third, scrolling before moving. Your brain consumes chaos before your body even moves. Fourth, caffeine before food. This spikes stress hormones and drains energy later. Now here's the fix. Simple, realistic. Wake up at the same time daily. Just 30 minutes earlier is enough. Get sunlight within the first hour. Stand near a window if needed. Move your body. Stretch, walk, push-ups, anything for 5 minutes. Eat something light before caffeine. And stop scrolling in bed. Do this consistently. And you'll notice something crazy. You won't need motivation to start your day. You'll just feel awake. Energy isn't about sleeping more. It's about starting your day right.